Good day, everyone. I'm Currency Geek, and welcome to my day 14 video of the 100 Days of Technical Analysis Challenge. So, today, XAU caught my interest. Let's dive right into it. From the weekly perspective, we can see prices moving impulsively to the upside. That's impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, and we can see that's created series of highs and lows at every point in time. Now, knowing that we've seen it creating series of highs and low, this was the last high created, then this high, and this was the last area of structure created. We can see we had this consecutive three bearish candles that broke that last level to the downside. And when the last level is broken, it means structure has changed. Now, I can pick up my well, I want to turn on my magnet. Okay, yes, I can pick on my ray tool and tag it as last level broken. Okay, last level broken. Yes, brilliant. And also, if we look closely, we can see an M pattern formation on this time frame, which the retest has already occurred to the neckline, and now we expect price to project down further. Now, at every point in time, I've been explaining the M and W patterns in my video, so I hope this still doesn't need no further clarity. Now I can take this off and actually tag this as a slash neck line. Okay, so with this M pattern seen on the weekly time frame, my sentiment on XAUEUR is to go short. Now to the daily time frame where I love to gather most of my confluences. Okay, so the daily time frame. Okay, now on the daily time frame, we can see. Okay, let's place this properly. Yes, brilliant. We can see how price moved, broke this value of structure here impulsively, and came for a retest of that area it broke. So now should expect a push to the downside. From this point, this would actually be my target. That's target or 90%. Now, knowing that this is my target, and also looking at the way price has moved around this area, looking left to get right, we can see this is an area of structure, so we should expect a reaction at this area of structure. Yeah, so taking my rectangle and dragging it into price, yes, we can see we've got weeks all around this area, and like I always say, weeks equal to rejection, so I can actually put a call out to there and target this as weeks equals rejection. Rejection. Good. Okay. Now, knowing that weeks equal rejection, um, I need not to actually ponder on this any longer. Just once rejections happen, there's a tendency that price will move to the other way around. Um, so I expect price to move to the downside on XAUEUR. So yes, brilliant. Now a retest back to this area of structure, then we'll see a push to the downside. And also this, like I said, this is a correction. So knowing that this is a correction or a corrective move to the upside, I can go to the 4 hour time frame to actually mark that out properly. So zooming out the charts to see it clearly, okay, we have a channel, a corrective channel in a downtrend. So a channel in a downtrend, we know it's just a correction with a high tendency of price breaking out to the up to the downside. Yes, so we have a channel, yeah. We have a bullish channel in a bearish trend, which, as we all know, there's a high chance or a high probability that it will break out and move to the downside. And also, we can see a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, yeah, and a huge tendency of a drop back downward. Okay, with that known, and also looking closely, this is a channel within a channel. Yes, a channel within a channel. There is a channel in this channel. So I would actually like to mark out that on the last time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, the time frame I always check. So looking at this closely, we can see a channel. Yes, it's a channel, yeah, within this channel. So this point in price also is a symmetrical triangle. So I'll just mark out this triangle, and a triangle within a channel, that's a pattern within a pattern, a huge, like massive tendency for price to actually go the anticipated direction. So just add this out properly. Yes, so there is a huge tendency of price going downward on XAUEUR. Now, with this known, I can actually my confidence on gold, which is to short gold against EUR, is getting more better and stronger. So my sentiment on gold generally is to go short. Now, if you've got any other sentiment or bias against my bias or in alignment with my bias, please do drop it in the comments down below, and also please do like and follow. Thank you.